Welcome everyone to my first video on indicators, technical indicators. I'll be going through various sites and various patterns to learn it, but this is an attempt for me learning it. Just giving you a warning, I'm no expert. I'm just trying to learn, and I'll be creating and learning and creating videos for myself and finding resources available on free on internet, and I'll be sharing the same thing with you, thinking if my journey would help and encourage anyone to follow my path or be my partner. You can let me know. You can drop me an email as well. This documents, I'll not be creating it. I'll be using various number of sites, and or else when required I'll be writing down certain things in the blog. Again, this is just the technical skills which I'm considering good for learning trade for myself in the stock market. So I hope we have a wonderful time. With that, I'll start. So I've taken this site, which is a blog from eLearn Markets, and I'm just creating, or I'll be taking some of the patterns, some of the indicators from here, and I'm also creating something in a different playlist for the candlestick patterns as well. So coming to this page where we are talking about the technical indicators. So what are basically technical indicators? According to this site where I was checking, if I go with them, they are saying that technical indicators help you to forecast price movements by analytical historical data. So means that from the historical data you can work on that, and it will give you some predictions about the forecast coming future from the historical data. So some technical indicators signal independently, whereas the other ones work in tandem. That means that some of them are individually sufficient to give you the information, but for some you cannot go with only one of them. You will have to go with the various other ones as well. They are used in technical analysis to assess a security strength or weakness by focusing on trading signals, pattern, price movement, and other analytical charting too. So basically, it's doing its technical analysis to assess whether something is getting stronger or something is getting weak in the market, and these can be dependent on various signals which are coming from trading patterns which are there, if there is any price movements, and other analytical charting tools which will be coming in there as well. Now this technical analysis is mostly based on statistical tools to gather the trading activities such as price movement or price actions and volume, and then they evaluate investment and identify trading opportunities as well. And then there is any security with historical trading data can benefit from technical analysis. This includes stocks, future, commodity, fixed income, securities, currency, and other financial instruments. So these can be used in any of the securities. So we can use it in stocks and the other things as well. Then according to the same site, they say that the type of technical indicators are based on 5 different things. So they have technical indicators divided into 5 of them, which is momentum indicators, again based on the momentum trend, showing up going on the trend, volume indicators, volatility indicators, and breadth indicators. So these are the other ones as well. But let's just talk about the momentum indicators. So what are momentum indicators? Momentum indicators are the ones which show you that how quickly or slowly the price of a security would change. So they identify the direction of movement along with the time frame which the price change occurs. So yeah, I'm sorry, I made something wrong there. So it doesn't identify the direction of the movement, but the time frame that which price changes, which the price changes occur. So it only gives you about the time frame when the price changes will be happening, but they cannot identify the direction. So they will tell you about the speed at which the certain stock changes. It will also indicate or help us to understand the strength of the price movement. So the first one that we are talking about is moving average convergence divergence. So this is also called MACD. So MACD is a momentum indicator, because this is the first one there that we are doing in the list, which shows the relationship between two moving averages, which is again not just moving averages, exponential moving averages, which has weightage with it. So exponential moving average of 16 and 12. So you see that there are two of them, and it consists of an MACD line and a signal line. So MACD line is the difference between the 26 EMA and 12 EMA, and the signal line is 9 EMA. So that is how it is giving you the information. Now, how do you know that when the action is giving you a buying signal? So it will give you a buying signal when MACD line crosses the signal line from below. So when MCD line is going up, then the up above the line, which is for the signal line, then it is saying that you can buy it. It's giving you a buying signal. When it is crossing this, when is the selling time? When MCD line crosses the signal from above. So here is a graph. Let's just open this chart in a different page, image in new tab, and let's just try to understand. So here, whenever you see the blue line is the one which is MACD line, and the red line here is the signal line. So whenever you see this blue line is cutting and going above the orange line, you will see that there is a rise in the market. The moment orange line crosses the blue line, let's just see it here, it gives you the downfall. So the moment till the orange line remains above the blue line, we see the market is falling. But the moment the blue line goes above, you see there is a small rise, and then the blue rise comes down, and then there's a steep fall. Then there is a rise for some time, then there is a fall. So you can see everywhere, wherever the blue line has crossed the orange line, you see that the price has risen. So this is how it is indicating which way the price is moving, or going up or going down. So that is where we come to the end of this session, and I hope we have moved a bit forward in our learning. So I thank you for listening, and have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye.